All right, this is team number one, the definite A team. 1, 2, 3, serve! All right, we have got about 16 people here working. We got my man Jaime out here with his crew, and you can see them with the ladders right now. They are setting up because they're going to be painting some of the roof here that needs to be painted that's rusting out. We got Samantha and my man here from Harrisonburg. They're going to be painting on here. We're going to be cleaning the siding and everything else. We're going to be weed eating, and we're going to make this thing look nice. Inside, we've got, well, this is our headquarters here, where all of our tools and stuff, safety equipment, mosquito spray and stuff, because the mosquitoes, you don't think about mosquitoes in Vermont, but damn, these mosquitoes are hell. They're like birds out here. Inside here, I've got to spackle up the walls. We got, I'm gonna go over all of this some because this is terrible.
Yeah, this is just like, it's,
right.
It's almost like, did they spackle a slab of
Yeah, I'm gonna block this so I wouldn't worry about sanding this part so much right now until after I go ahead and go over it with that quicksand stuff. But if we've got all of this stuff in here, we can work on getting ready to try and get this spot in here painted, which would be great if we could actually start hitting that. I know we got a couple places over here. I'll hit that real quick with the quick dry. And
yeah, it's like they just painted around stickers at once.
yeah, and then somebody pulled them off later.
Yeah.
Okay, all right, let me go ahead and take another quick peek over here. We got my main man here, John, with the kitchen cabinets. You can see all of these cabinets here. We're gonna be painted a light gray. And look at, there's more over here in the paint trays. Yes, ma'am. Don't know if we have any more smaller rollers. Everybody's busting the hump right here. So what we're going to do is they're going to go ahead and get the trim and stuff painted in here, get the cabinets painted in here, and then we're going to start working on the floors this afternoon. I'm excited. We're the A team here. The A team. Beautiful. Tell you what, this place is changing by the minute. Look at the wall color in here. Oh my goodness, look at that. They're getting all the trim and stuff painted. They got the siding going on outside. Wow, she is. Well, she's not living here right now. Oh, okay. So I don't know if she's going to come by and look or not today. Cabinets. Oh, they look so much better. Okay, and of course, I'm the only one with a mess over here where we had to pull the wire. I need to get to work. Check in. Look at, oh my, look at this. I'm taking Pam home. I'm taking Pam home with me because I've got yard work that I need done. Look.
I don't know who Pam is. I'm Pat.
I'm sorry, Pat. Okay, it starts with a P. By the way, I'm known as the name butcher because I can never remember anybody's name. Okay, she's like, I'm glad she wasn't saying he was going to take me home. Look at that. That's me.
I think she won.
Okay, look at that. That looks fantastic. Oh man, you know we need some flowers. I think we need some flowers now. Oh man, and then I got my paint crew up here. Look at that. Look at that. Now, magically, she gets up there, but she doesn't know how she gets down off the ladder.
I don't get down without help.
Yeah, she can't. Yeah, there you go.
Look out for me. Sorry.
But
I would go down.
but they're getting that thing painted. It's looking good. It's definitely coming a long way from where it was. All right. Okay, so we got that going, and I'm hoping and praying that I have regular drywall screws. I know I got 3-inch ones to hang the cabinets, but I'm not sure if I have any. Yes, they're 2 inches, but that's better than 3 inches or 1 5/8 inches, so that'll work. The weather is kind of raining a little bit here, but they're going to stop painting the roof. I think they said they've gotten almost all of it that oh man, getting closer. Just have this portion right here. Dag nabbit. Looks 100 times better. They got the siding on the back, and it's been a little while since I've been inside, and I'm out of breath. I'm tired. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm tired. Okay. Let me check with Mark. Mark was pulling off the molding over there. Let's see how that looks. Okay. Oh, look at that. Mark got that in there. All right, so we saved this piece of wood right there, and he's mixing up. He's going to go ahead and spackle that up and then fix that so it'll dry and we can paint that tomorrow. And look at the room in here. Oh, wow. It is looking good. They have almost all the... Oh my goodness, what a day. So you can see they've gone through and they've cleaned up. They're going to go ahead and try and get the last bit of painting done here now that the rain stopped. And then tomorrow we'll power wash in there. There's some maple trees that are growing up in there. Going to take the sawzall and cut those out. And starting to work on the floor on the inside. It is coming together greatly here. The living room is almost painted. We got the back room left to paint still, but everybody has been rocking and rolling. I got the best crew in the world here because we got above and beyond what I hoped done today. My man Mark right here has been my right hand and my left hand man right here. John back in there, he has been handling business. You know, it's like you just wind him up, turn him on, and he's gone. And then is that Mark back in there too? Huh? Oh no, that's David. You know I'm a name butcher. And David has been cutting and taping and taping and cutting like crazy. The paint job. Now let's take a look at what we've done. We started putting down some of the floor. They've got these cabinets looking fantastic. And we got the other cabinets in here, all painted. The side pieces to go with it. Oh, and look at this. Look at it. What a difference a day makes. So we're working on getting cleaned up before we pass out, and we'll be back at it tomorrow. Welcome to day number 2 here. Oh my goodness. So we had a minor hiccup. We got the wrong color. That's my fault. I didn't read the memo from the homeowner, but we're repainting this room lilac. Fortunately, we didn't do the whole room. So we're getting this squared away, definitely brightening it up. And this is where we got a lot of work to do. We've got the kitchen floor here that we've got to go ahead and get down. They've already moved cabinets out of the way. He's mixing the floor patch to kind of even it out a little bit. And we got Mark here.
Hey now, laying some flooring. Hey.
Mark and Ron. Shout out to both of them. Okay, so you got the stroke? You're okay?
Oh yeah, all good.
Okay. I can set up the miter saw if you want to have that outside to cut this.
That would be good. That would be.
Yeah. So that's what I'm working on right now. The miter saw we got from. Oh. All right, good people. Let me say, Group 1 is the best group out there. I know you guys are all back wherever you guys belong, and I appreciate meeting each and every one of you. And Mark, I'm coming to Maine to get me some lobster tails. Okay, I'm coming to Maine. Don't think I'm not going to take you up on it. So I want to show you the final look of all of the great work that you guys did. We killed it. We killed it. We have set the bar up there. Man, them other teams, they got a whole lot of work to do. And I appreciate you guys. And hopefully, I'll see you in Selma. Look at that. See you on to the next one.